Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stuffing by. No, don't stuff by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you again for being here. And today, okay, you guys, I am dumping my Erin Condren agenda. That sounds terrible, I know. Actually, I'm gonna divorce my agenda for now. I have been struggling with wanting to use this agenda, but I find it not to be the right size for me. And I'm going to tell you why. There's two issues with this for me. One is the size. This agenda is beautiful. I really like it. Right? But look how big this is. It's huge. When you open this, it's 12, open, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's like 20 inches. Open. I know you can fold it back, I know all of that, but it's not practical because I actually want to put this in my purse. So what I decided to do, oh, and the other factor about this that I don't particularly like for on the go is how flimsy it is, which for here at home is fine. I don't want to bend this because I don't want to crease it. Right? So I like it. I love it. It's beautiful. I love the color. It feels good. I like the size, but this is not practical for me to take on the go. All right. So what we're going to do is, oh, and this is the A5 agenda. So what I did is I purchased, okay, and I purchased this months and months ago, you guys. This A5 agenda is from Amazon. If I find it, I'll leave you a link. But this is what it is. Where are you? I'm hoping this is in frame, but okay. So that's what it is. I paid, I think, $15.99, $14.99, something like that. This is A5. Okay, now the only thing is that these rings are really tiny. This is, let me see, oops, this is only an inch, not even. Oh, it's like 3/4 of an inch, which is very small. But I'm gonna try to work with that and see how it goes for this month. Okay, so let me show it to you. I can take this apart. Okay, and this. So this just protects the rings. It has a magnet here. It's a faux leather. Okay, and it feels nice. It has a pocket here, a half pocket. Then on the back, you have another pocket here. So that's nice. All right, it comes with the inserts that I'm not gonna use, okay? This is not what I'm gonna use. It has a clear, oh, I can use this clear dashboard cover. Let's see. This is just undated paper. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this, I'm gonna save it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer the Erin Condren agenda to this binder here. All right, so I have my inserts. All right, so I'm gonna do March and March, April. There we go. So this agenda open, it's a lot smaller than the Erin Condren agenda, okay? So that's one of the reasons why I want to use this. All right, so I have the weeklies here. And I have the dailies here. Oops, maybe. Okay. Now let me take the stuff that I need from here. All right, so all these pretty things here, I'm not gonna bring with me. I'm not gonna add them to this other, maybe the dots. Okay, maybe this and this. The functional things, yeah, but the rest I'm gonna keep here. My little dress, oh, so pretty. I made this, you guys. Look how cute that is. Oh, but no, I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna take the cover. I'm not gonna take this. I'm definitely taking this. I love these two together. This dashboard is from Jane's Agenda, and this is from Plan with Michelle. And I love them together. It looks so good. All right, this is from Stephanie's, and this one too. So I'll keep those for my cover. This right here. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep the monthly. This is from Jane's Agenda as well. Yeah, I'll take this. Okay, and this right here. I don't need the notes, so we're gonna leave that behind. And I think this is the stuff that I'm gonna use. Let's see if it fits, because that other agenda is pretty small. Okay, so let's see now. There's that. Okay, so now let me add the pretties. Now, the one thing I need is some space for this. So what I want to do, you guys, is I want to keep my couponing envelopes here, but these rings are so tiny, I might have to get new ones. Let's see. Okay, this is not the right size for the A5, but I just want to see how thick this is gonna be. I have something coming soon that I'm so excited for, and it has to do with my coupon envelopes here. So let's see. My husband's playing drums. I already ordered the little pouches, so I should be getting them in a couple of days, but I just want to test and see if this is gonna work. All right, but for now we're just gonna add the paper side to it. Okay, all right, so we have this. I think I saw Jane's Agenda coming up with new vellum dashboards, and I want them. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get them. I'm still looking for a job, you guys. So yeah, no spendy right now. Okay, this one. There we go. Now here, I'm gonna do, is this weekly or daily? Let me see. This one's weekly. Okay, so we're gonna do weekly here. Oops. Now I'm gonna add daily. And notes. I don't need this folder, so I'm not gonna add it here. There you go. Now see, this is what I'm afraid that it's these rings are too small now. Uh-oh. Okay. Yep. They're gonna be too small now. I'm not gonna be able to add my coupons here. All right, so let's cut some things from here. Let's take the notes. No, I don't want to take the notes. What about the daily? Can I switch this for bigger? Oh, I'm afraid to do that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to switch these rings. And look, yeah, I'm gonna have to take the dailies out. Okay, because I need the notes. So I want to keep the notes, and let's take the daily section here. That's too bad. Yeah, it's too much. Okay. There we go. There you go. I'm gonna use this tool pen here. Let's see if that even works. I feel like this agenda now is too small. This is not gonna work either. Okay, let me think. Let me think. I have to take more things out. So let me show you. I had to really, wait. A couple things that I do want to add. This is from Stephanie, and I'll leave you her information below. This is her budget printables, and I purchased this off of her website. So I want to keep the expense trackers. You know what? I don't even have the monthly here. I don't need this monthly because I don't have enough space to add the budget section here. I think I'm just gonna add it here. Oh, I need to trim it on the bottom. So I think we are down to the minimum here, but I need to keep in mind that these rings are really small and that I need to add my coupon envelopes. Okay, you know what, I'm thinking I don't need this. I don't need contacts. Okay. But notes, yes. Okay, we don't need that. Okay. So I just want to keep this clip here in case I need it. Most likely I'm going to need it once I have my envelopes. All right, so let me show you what I'm going to do here. So this A5 agenda, like I was telling you, is from Amazon. I paid like $14.99 for it. I think it was $14.99, $15. And the reason why I'm switching this is because I want to use this and put it in my purse instead of this. Instead of this right here. I'm gonna switch this out. This is not working for me. One, is too small, and two, the same problem with this, it's kind of flimsy, you know. And now this agenda, the Erin Condren, I love. It's beautiful. I would rather carry this with me, but as you can see, is too big. This is way too big. Okay, and to carry this with me in my purse is Yeah, it's not practical, especially because when you open this, it's like 20 inches. It's like 20 inches here. So we're gonna leave this at home, okay? And we're gonna use this. So I'm gonna try this out for the rest of this month and see how this is gonna work. I might have to switch this rings for like at least an inch because this is so tiny. Let me show you what I put. So I just have a little bit of stickers here. I have the cover. This vellum dashboard is from Jane's Agenda. This is from Stephanie, and I'll leave you her info. The same as this. So I have my cover here. 2021, 2022. So I have the weekly here. This is from Jane's Agenda. This is from Plan with Michelle. And I have the weekly here, which is from Erin Condren, and it's the horizontal layout. So I have here March. This expense tracker is from Stephanie. Okay, and I'm gonna do my coupon and expenses here. I have notes. This vellum is from Plan with Michelle. And note paper. I have a lot of Erin Condren paper, and as I go, I'll be punching more pages, okay? And then we have the back with this pen from Office Depot tool. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm gonna do. As soon as I get my envelopes, I'll come back and show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my breakdown. I'll have that in my couponing channel, which is Budget Your Plan. If you want to check it out, I'll leave you the information below as well. And for now, I'm hoping that this is gonna work for my coupon and deals. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Sorry about the noise.